What is up, everyone? My name's Peter Godden. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm kind of just hanging out by the office, not getting any work done like I'm supposed to. I am heavy lifting though. Yep. So if you can't tell by the title of this video, today I'm picking up my car. It's getting straight piped. I cannot wait. I've just been trying to fiddle with stuff, stay busy all day. Waiting for Josh over at Bowden Auto House to give me a call and let me know it's ready to come pick up, which I just got. So I cannot wait. This thing should sound bananas. And if you already know me and you've heard my Raptor, you know that my Raptor is aggressively loud. And I was actually told that this car will be even louder. Don't even understand how that's possible, but that's what I was told. So I cannot wait. Again, super excited. Let's go pick it up. Alright, so we're going to compare Josh's with the center section. Still has the side mufflers. 4-inch pipes. I have 3.5-inch pipes, but no mufflers because it is loud. So we're going to do a little comparison right now between the two. Josh's actually sound really good. It's really deep, really crisp, but let's see the difference. Thankfully, my buddy at Tim Pros let me bring my car here. It's on the lift right in front of me, but we'll get to that in a second. So here is the stock exhaust off my car. So this is a 991.2 GT3RS. It's factory exhaust. Massive, right? So it actually weighs, I'm hearing different numbers. I haven't actually weighed it. Some people tell me 60, some people tell me 50. But it's heavy. It's heavy, it's bulky. So this part is actually titanium. So this isn't too bad, it's pretty light. These things are heavy as all hell. I think this one's actually loose, so let's check this one out. Like just this thing, yeah, just this has to be like 30 pounds. Dun, da, da, da. Pretty sweet, right? Look at that. How epic is that? Does not get any cooler. I don't even know how they shoved all of that in there. Look at all that. How did that get in here? Makes no sense. German engineering at its finest, right? So these are the jam. So you can see those are the headers. It just came straight off the factory headers. So these are factory, right? I didn't change anything here yet. So before, right, I had the big muffler here connected to the center section, which had all the valves on it. So that's all been done and gone with. I still don't understand how they fit that in there. Crazy. So it looks like these are the little nozzles that controlled the old valves. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Nope, not gonna happen. But those are them. Got one here and one here. That one's kind of focused. So yeah, those have just been capped off because obviously with the straight pipes, no valves, no bypasses, just straight beans. Love the color. Love the color. So might actually, I think these are 3.5 inch. We may actually make these a little bit bigger. Thinking about doing 4 inch just to kind of fill in the space because there's a lot of space to fill in. And I kind of want them to stick out, but at the same time, I don't know how aggressive I want it to look because it's far from legal. But yeah, quite a difference, right? So we'll get it back down off the lift. I just wanted to show you guys. Thankfully, like I said, Greg let me get it up here so that you guys could check it out. Because I did not get any, I don't have any pictures of it before it came in or got installed. Man, the more I look at it, it just, look at that. Alright, so the plan was to take the car off the lift, get it outside, but just ran into an issue, quite major. Let's crawl under here and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Look at that blue shiny exhaust behind me. That is what we were trying to accomplish and show, but unfortunately, this is what I found. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can really see that. There it is. Oil everywhere. The engine itself, and as you can see, all them bolts just got a nice coating of oil all over them. So yeah, sweet. Right, well, safe to say that today has not gone as planned. Started out as getting my car on the lift to show you guys the exhaust, taking it outside so that you guys could hear it, do some flybys, has actually turned into my car getting flatbedded to the dealership. Yep, there she goes. To find out why it's leaking so much oil, which is pretty baffling to me actually, because I did check the oil level before it left and it said it was good, said it was in a good area. I've always let the car warm up before going anywhere, so I don't think there's anything weird as far as that. Hopefully it's just like a seal or something minor and not a truly blown engine, because that would suck. But nonetheless, be sure to subscribe to this video. Not sure exactly where that button's at, but hit that button, like this video, or don't. Either way, there's some pretty sick stuff coming. I've actually got some other cars on the way. I'm not going to tell you what they are. You got to hit that button, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned. Have a great day, everyone. Oh.